Finally awake. So we came and we were late. Look, late association. Late. We have to come back tomorrow. Tomorrow. That's literally been us and this place. Tomorrow. Every day is tomorrow. We were late.
Swing behind you.
You take the like Jennifer just takes the piece of something she said. Guys, as usual, we were late. We came this time. We're late, so we come back again tomorrow. But we booked this time, so we'll be here by 10 o'clock.
Oh, really?
Oh, will we? You see, because do you know how many times I recorded the vlog? At least we booked it now, so. Ooh. Oh my god, I met this person, it's true.
Okay, no problem.
So we're going to where we're going to Sugar. Say hi, Bachelor. We're going to Sugar Factory. We're going to Dinosaur World, and then tomorrow we're going to do here. But we booked it. You're just a big abaya.
Come, this car is.
Oh. Yeah. You've opened like 4 of the same thing.
Wait, like, best in sugar.
Literally best in sugar. You want more? Sugar Factory. Best in running.
This is the barbecue sauce. And this one. And this one is.
Okay, this is the second
buffalo
one.
sauce.
I look so fat right now, but I promise you guys, not enough.
Meet the queen.
No, I went.
Why are you pushing my food? You cannot be putting sweet in my meal, please. Keep her up.
Papa's gonna be like, nope, I don't think so. Mommy, no okra.
No problem, wait. Relax. What? Yes, this one. Dance with them. We just gonna be rubbing our elbow.
I'm opening my seat. Sober.
Two different types of wings.
Just now. Ooh, Jennifer, okay. Mrs. Maki is giving everything and more. We finally made it to the water park the day before we leave. Finally. Okay, what do you want to do? Do you want to do? Should we? There's something. So guys, we're at the water park. Aqua. I don't know what the hell this place is called, but anyways, we're here now. So they're behind. We are finally the day before our flight. I think I've told you guys we're coming to the water park like 3 different times, and it didn't happen, but finally we did. So we're about to have a good time. I'm gonna have fun, so I don't know how much I will vlog, but I will try my best. I might not be talking to you guys as much though, but I mean, we'll see in it. So guys, we brought Papa to do like a few rides, so we're gonna go have some adult fun now. It's so hot, like I look he was gonna come with no makeup, and then everyone's like, oh no, we're doing no makeup, and now all of us are regretting. We're like, we shouldn't have done makeup. It's so freaking hot. bestie mom. Bestie boy. Bro, my hair is doing so much. Papa! Where are you running to? We finished doing a few water slides and yo, look, all our makeup is gone. Everything's gone, but we're having such a good time, we don't care. Papa is on one. Just, hello. Yeah, we've gone on a couple rides. We want to get something to eat now and then continue. I didn't really vlog that part because I can't, I brought my camera, but it's too big to be taken around. And yeah, on the rides I wasn't taking my phone because I'm not about to drop it in water. Ooh, Papa, he loves water so much. We're going to get food now. But this is not how it looks like. But we move fun. We've actually all had fun on the rides. It's been a good time. Time to eat some food. This is. So yeah. Hello. Good morning. Can't play my magic thinking. No, Papa. No, down. I'm not playing with you. Auntie's bestie. Papa. Be careful. Don't do that. Come here, you're being naughty. Oh, bath time. Shower time. Let's one bath. Come on. After you bath, you play. Let's go. Let's go. Papa! I'm not playing with you. Let's go. So guys, one sec. Hey guys, good morning. So Papa's gone to have his shower. I've had a shower already, but I haven't dressed up yet. We're going to a dinosaur park today, Dinosaur World, something like that. Jim getting ready. So I want to do quick breakfast. I'm gonna make pancakes. Chuma's not having any, so this maple syrup, I've been using this from when I was a kid. This is hands down the goat. I don't see this in Nigeria though, so I usually buy Auntie Jemima or Aunt Jemima or Aunt something. So I'm gonna make some pancakes now quickly and probably do like sausage and eggs. Let me do the sausage first actually. While I get everything else ready. Yeah, this is even Aunt Jemima. Yep, it is. Aunt Jemima pancake mix. Mix it up, and then my milk. I'm using full cream because that's what I have available. I usually go for semi-skimmed milk because it's just less fatty. So now I'm just gonna mix this all up. I like to put like a tiny bit of sugar in my pancakes, or sometimes I just put the maple syrup directly in the mix. So this is quite thick. Okay, so why is this so difficult to open? Okay, I'm going to put a tiny bit of maple syrup in there. Oops. Sausages are done now. I'm going to get a plate. So I just put that so like all the oil can get like, all the grease can soak out. If you ever want to know if your pancakes are like done to flip over, just look for the bubbles. Once they start coming through, Once you start seeing your pancake get bubble, it's almost ready to get flipped over. Currently frying eggs. Before, I would do so much in my eggs, like with seasoning and all of that, but now I like to keep it simple. At most, I'll put like garlic powder because I do like garlic. I'm gonna cut up some apples. But Papa loves some eggs. So Papa's breakfast is ready. Oh, he's ready. Yummy.
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Now let's go and sit down. I gotta have syrup. Because what's pancake without syrup, guys? So guys, this is my breakfast. Finally done. Apples, eggs, sausages and pancakes. But yeah guys, my breakfast is done, so I'm going to go eat, get ready, and yeah, I'll probably catch you guys when we go to Dinosaur World or Dinosaur Park. I'm not sure what it's called, but yeah guys, I'm gonna go eat now, watch some Netflix, and I'll catch you guys later. Dinosaur World. Papa.